Hi, this is Steve Adams. I'd like to introduce you to Zackel, the easiest way today to create and publish a website, and then we'll build a simple site. Zackel is easy because you can put anything anywhere. Other site builders make you first choose a template, and then you're supposed to fit your content into that template. But there are so many rules to follow that most users with no technical background quickly get lost and give up. Very intelligent and creative people have told me that they couldn't get anywhere with template site builders. Zackel has none of those rules because it doesn't use templates. You put anything anywhere. It's much simpler. Building a page with Zackel is like arranging a storefront window. Everything in Zackel is made from a box or an image. You double-click wherever you want to put a box. You resize the box by dragging a corner. You move the box by clicking inside and dragging. You style the box by right-clicking inside to bring up the box helper, and then selecting from the options available. You close the box helper by clicking the X in the upper right corner. You delete a box by clicking it and hitting the delete key on your keyboard. Okay, that takes care of boxes. Images come from the gallery. We click the gallery button to open the gallery and then drag over the image we want. You resize and move images the same way you do boxes. You resize by dragging a corner, drag by clicking inside and dragging. When you right-click an image, you bring up the image helper, and that gives you various ways you can style the image. You delete an image the same way you do a box. Click on it and then hit the delete key on your keyboard. Okay, that's all we need to know to get started on our website. Let's start by creating a box. This will become our banner. Let's enter some text by right-clicking in the box to bring up the box helper, and then selecting the text option. Let's increase the font size. Bring it down, and let's change the font to Railway, and let's center it. Let's change the box color. Select the background color patch from the box helper and pick a color. Okay, let's bring in a butterfly now from the gallery. Open the gallery, drag the butterfly over. I clicked it so I could see the boundaries. Let's resize it now and move it up to here. Let's rotate it a little by right-clicking it to open the image helper and then clicking rotate a few times. There. When we click this butterfly on our finished page, we want to go to Amazon.com. So we click links and pop-ups in the image helper, and in the field when image is clicked go to, we enter Amazon.com. Return, and that's all we need. Okay, let's bring in some pictures now from the gallery. Open the gallery. I'm going to pause now a few seconds while I bring in the rest of the images. Okay, let's turn these images now into a slideshow. You won't believe how easy this is going to be. For each image, we right-click it to bring up the image helper, and then select the slideshow option. Then we enter a name in the slideshow name field. We'll put in SS for slideshow, and we do this for each image. Notice it also gives us a place to put a caption for each image, but we'll skip that for now. And we're done. Let's put a box about here now, where we can say something about Susan. We double-click to create a box, and then stretch it out. Right-click in the box to bring up the box helper. Select text. Normally we type in some text now, but I'm just going to drop in some text that I copied to the clipboard to save us some time. Next, I want to add a picture of Susan in the upper left corner of the box so that the text in the box wraps around it. To do that, I just drop the image in the box with the Alt key held down. So let's go to the gallery and get our picture of Susan, drag it over. Now I'm going to hold down the Alt key and drop it. Let's change the box background to white. Let's give the box a shadow. Tighten it up a little bit. Okay, we're almost done with our site. Let's finish off by putting a big phone number at the bottom. Create another box. Go to the box helper and select text. Let's increase the font. We don't want the default yellow background, so let's select the color patch for background and select no color. And let's do the same thing for the border. Okay, we're done. Let's publish now and see what we have. To publish, we just hit the publish button and enter a name for our page. We'll call it A0 for now. When it's done publishing, Zackel puts this view link here to let us look at the page out on the internet. So there's our page. Let's click the butterfly. Off we go to Amazon. Let's try our slideshow. That all looks good. Let me show you now how easy it is to change a Zackel page. Let's suppose we want to change passion here to main passion. Let's go back to the editor, right click in the box, bring up the box helper, select text, and just enter main before passion. And let's swap out the pelican picture. Click it and hit delete to delete it. Now let's go to the gallery and find another image. Let's use this one. Let's add it to the slideshow now. Right click, go to slideshow. Okay. And let's publish and see what that looks like. There's our new picture. Let's see if it's in the slideshow. Yes. And our text is now my main passion. I admit that was a pretty simple site, but if you have a simple product, maybe a product you just bought a barcode for, or maybe something you're selling on eBay or Craigslist, a simple site like this that you can put up in a few minutes may be all you need. If you want to do more though, Zackel is ready. This is a Zackel rendering of Jeff Skoll's wonderful page at skollglobalthreats.org. Unlike the original, the Zackel version here can be changed in seconds by non-technical staff. You may be wondering how you get pictures into the gallery. Just click the gallery button, come down here and click Choose File, select the image on your computer that you want to upload, and click Upload. Finally, you can set the background color of the canvas, this area in the center here where we do all of our work, by right-clicking in the canvas to bring up the canvas helper, and then clicking on the background color patch and picking a color. And we can do the same thing for the wings. And that's Zackel. I told you it was easy. Thanks for watching.